market is an exciting phase. The smartphone market is definitely increasing. The affordability is increasing, so we see a lot of proliferation of the smartphones in market, and which is good news for us. And if you, I don't know whether you have noticed that the operators are reducing the cost of their 3G services, which obviously will again impact the offtake of smartphone devices. So I personally feel that smartphone market in India will continue to grow the way it is, and even beat some of the estimates which have been coming in. So it's a pretty exciting phase for smartphone markets in India. The currency fluctuations do impact the prices. Two devices, which is the entry-level devices, we had to increase the price. We are watching the situation pretty closely, and in the other devices we have been able to maintain our prices. But yes, dollar fluctuation is something which we are following very closely, and it does impact the business. Well, as far as the channel partners are concerned, we work very closely with them, and we have various initiatives which we keep taking, whether it's a trade scheme, whether it is promotion, so that the consumer interest is maintained. The consumer interest is maintained, and the offtake happens. I think indirectly we're also using partners. So if you look at the recent campaign which we have done, one which is already on, which is with Tata Docomo, which is already on. So those are the things which we keep doing so that the channel interest is maintained, whether the price remains same or there is impact on the dollar. But the whole idea is to keep the package attractive for the consumer and hence the channel. So those are the initiatives which we see. Our focus is to work very closely with our operator partners, give the right kind of experience to the customer, and which will help us penetrate deeper into the tier 2 and tier 3 markets. We will work very closely with the partners with specific specific initiatives in tier 2 and tier 3 towns. So that's the way we will go. We see this market expanding, and we see ourselves establishing even in tier 2, tier 3 towns where the aspiration for BlackBerry is still there, and we are able to we will work towards tapping that market. When we move from X cities to X plus Y, the whole idea is to make the product available. It also depends whether we need to appoint an RD there, to cater to this town, or existing RD is able to cover it with the expansion of his region, because ultimately it is the ROI of the RD which also counts. So that's the way we look at it. So when we go to a specific town, we look at the potential of the town. If the potential, the town potential, merits an appointment of a local person, we do that. Otherwise, it is added to the area of someone who is close to that area. So that's number one. Once we establish our presence there and we see the demand uptake, we then take a call whether we need to have an experience zone there, whether we need to have an exclusive store there. That's the way we plan it. Ultimately, the idea is to make product available to the customer, and the market demands an investment in terms of an exclusive zone or an experience zone. We take that up depending on the way the demand is shifting. BlackBerry is all about experience. So customers buy the device not just for the sake of buying a device, but the complete BlackBerry experience. So it is very important that when a customer comes to a point of sale, he experiences the device and he's given an experience, he's told about what to expect. So in-shop demonstrators, which is the ISDs, play a very crucial role as far as BlackBerry is concerned. We started with this concept about a year and a half back, and we expanded across all the major towns and cities. ISD is today equipped with complete knowledge on BlackBerry service, whether it's application, whether it is the device, whether it is the BlackBerry services which we provide through our operator partners. And he is our way of communicating. These are media of communicating to the end customer what BlackBerry experience is about. Today, if you go to an MBO, it is a very cluttered market. Okay, all devices are there, and customer has a wide range of choice. It is these ISDs who can make a lot of difference. So we focus a lot on ISDs, whether it is through training, whether it is product training, whether it is a sales training. So our engagement with the ISDs is very high, almost on a daily basis. And I also mentioned that they are a source of a lot of information which comes back to us to make management decisions. So we focus a lot on ISDs. We will continue to focus on ISD and obviously expand to other towns as well, so that we are able to pass on the experience story to the customer and obviously also get their feedbacks and make necessary changes which are required. The quality of training which is being imparted, the quality of information which is going is same all across. The only difference is in case of a premium store, since we are taking care of the the service part as well, ISD obviously has to be that additional bit, and that is where the difference is. Otherwise, the quality of training, the knowledge on the product side, on the sales side is same all across.